Following a 2-year school closure due to the COVID-19 pandemic, government officially reopened schools across the country on the 10th of January last year. In this period, the Ministry of Education, alongside a number of partners, started monitoring the resumption of learning in different schools across the country.
We want to improve the learning outcomes of the child. If you equip all the critical inputs around the child, the school, the community, the systems, we think that then eventually we shall achieve learning outcomes in schools.
In August last year, the ministry, in partnership with Plan International, conducted a study on learners in 6 refugee settlements and their neighboring host communities. The study evaluated learners in pre-primary, primary, secondary, tertiary institutions, as well as those in non-formal employment. Findings from the study have revealed that a number of challenges are hindering a sizable number of both male and female learners from resuming learning following the COVID-19 pandemic. Among these are financial constraints, negative attitudes towards education, teenage pregnancies and early marriages, lack of scholastic materials, and child labor.
Many of these refugees are actually, they are the ones, the boys and girls, they live in child-headed families. They rarely have guidance from their parents.
But for those who have managed to return to school, a number of challenges are also affecting their well-being, and these include poor school feeding, absence of teachers, physical and emotional violence, long distances, especially for learners with disabilities, as well as lack of sanitary facilities.
We talk about violence, we talk about mental issues, but the vicious cycle keeps going, and it's only for us to work together as a collective for us to be able to break it and give a better future to our learners in our schools.
Education partners want government to address the issues raised in the report in order to ensure the well-being of learners in refugee settlements and host communities.
Issues that are being discussed here, I'm not going to repeat them, but they are really very, very important. And let's go back and look at wherever we are. Start from within yourself, from the home. How are you helping these children?
But we also need to give feedback to the learners that provided the information, and we are going to use the structure of the CCTs to make sure that we reach to our learners through play.
Joyce Nakato, NTV Tonight.